Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix YouTube Creator Studio not opening on your YouTube account. So to be able to fix this guys, and you are having this issue right here where it says something went wrong when you try to open this uh, YouTube Creator Studio. So the way to actually fix this are two ways. So the first way is to log in into a different account or log out of your um, existing account right here and log in again. So you can try that, and but if you want to log into a different account, so just go on over in the upper right corner and tap on your user profile. Tap on the gear settings here and add a profile, sign in, and just sign in with your YouTube account here and proceed to sign in on your YouTube. But if that does not work guys, I suggest to clear the browsing data of your browser on your Google Chrome. So go over to your settings and you can see here on the settings page, you just have to search for clear browsing data right here, and you can choose here what time range you want to clear it, and then on the basic one, but I recommend you to go over to advanced here so you can choose freely whatever data you want to clear. So for example, last 7 days and browsing history, I suggest to remove all of this ones uh, because that will reset the browser or reboot the Google Chrome browser entirely. Once you're done with that, just click on clear data and wait for the process to finish. Once done with that guys, you just have to refresh your YouTube Creator Studio and see if that worked for you. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.